Grilling becomes a breeze and your results look and taste like they're from a professional kitchen when you have the right tools. However, many grill tools on the market are flimsy, poorly designed, or just gimmicky. After countless hours over the grill, flipping burgers and roasting chickens, we've tested and found our favorite essentials. From sturdy grill brushes to reliable tongs and efficient chimney starters, these are the tools we swear by to elevate your grilling game. Before we jump into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on our latest tech and grilling tips. Coming at number 10, Best Heat Resistant Basting Brush OXO Good Grips Large Silicone Basting Brush. When grilling chicken or multiple racks of ribs, you need a basting brush that can handle high heat and apply barbecue sauce generously without falling apart. After testing several models, we highly recommend the OXO Good Grips Large Silicone Basting Brush. Its silicone bristles can withstand temperatures up to 600 degrees, ensuring they won't melt or shed bristles onto your food, unlike many natural fiber brushes. Plus, it's dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. The OXO brush features a unique design with two types of bristles, rounded outer bristles and flat, perforated bristles in the core. This combination allows it to hold and distribute a substantial amount of sauce without needing constant reapplication. It strikes the perfect balance between stiffness and flexibility, providing a smooth, even coating of barbecue sauce. In our review of silicone brushes, this model stood out for its innovative bristle design and performance. Number 9, Best Grill Basket Grillaholics Grill Basket. For grilling diced vegetables, the Grillaholics Grill Basket is our top pick for both performance and value. We found that grape tomatoes, diced zucchini, and eggplant cooked in this basket achieve better color and flavor compared to those cooked with other baskets. The larger perforations in the Grillaholics basket enhance heat and air circulation, allowing vegetables to get more direct contact with the grill grate, which prevents them from steaming. Durable stainless steel construction means the Grillaholics basket can handle high heat grilling better than most non-stick options, and it's dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. We also appreciated the curved handles, which made it simple to maneuver the basket with tongs while cooking. Number 8, Best Chimney Starter Weber Rapid Fire Chimney Starter. A chimney starter is the fastest and most efficient way to light charcoal without the hassle of smelly lighter fluid. The Weber Rapid Fire Chimney Starter stands out as the best option for its generous size, ease of use, affordability, and widespread availability. With a spacious 6-quart main chamber, the Weber starter can hold about 90 briquettes, providing enough fuel to cook around 12 burgers with extra cooking time. The large lighting chamber accommodates a sizable wad of newspaper, our preferred ignition material, and features big vents for improved airflow and easy access for matches. Equipped with 2 handles for safe handling, the Weber Chimney Starter includes a fixed heat-resistant plastic grip and a swinging wire handle for added stability and control. While the design is not unique, the Weber model is the only widely available one that combines all these features at such an affordable price. Number 7, Best Grill Mat UB Size Under Grill Mat. Love grilling but hate the mess it leaves behind. Introducing the UB Size Grill Mat, your ultimate solution for a clean and hassle-free grilling experience. At 48 by 65 inches, this mat protects your outdoor space from embers, spills and grease, letting you enjoy your barbecue without the cleanup stress. Made with advanced materials, the UB Size Grill Mat features a high-quality fiberglass base and double-sided silicone coating. It's fire-resistant, waterproof, and oil-resistant, withstanding temperatures up to 2000 degrees effortlessly. Cleanup is simple. Just rinse with soap and water or use a garden hose. For a quick touch-up, wipe with a damp cloth. When you're done, the mat folds easily for convenient storage. Number 6, Best Long Tongs Winco Heavyweight 16 Stainless Steel Utility Tongs. For cooking on a blazing hot grill, we recommend the 16-inch Winco Heavyweight Stainless Steel Utility Tongs. They're comfortable, easy to use, and sturdy, with a length that keeps your hands safely away from the flames. Sam described them as Perfect Plus. They're the most affordable tongs among all the models we tested. The Winco tongs open to a practical width, and the spring mechanism offers just the right amount of resistance, preventing hand fatigue even when grilling for a crowd. Many other tongs are too stiff, leading to quicker hand exhaustion. Number 5, Best Wet Brush Grill Rescue Grill Brush. Initially, we were skeptical that this tool might be nothing more than a pricey gimmick, but we decided to test it out. While it works adequately on its own, the real magic happens when you wet the brush before using it on hot grill grates. This creates billows of steam that enhance its cleaning power. Used alongside a wire brush or wooden scraper, the Grill Rescue brush cleans soot off grill grates more safely and effectively than any other tools we've tried. Since it generates significant hot steam, it's best to start with the inner parts of your grill and work outward. Don't forget to wear grill gloves during cleaning. Is it more expensive than using a cotton rag or paper towels? Yes, but it's incredibly convenient, satisfying and enjoyable to use, and it will outlast multiple rags before needing a new brush head. Unlike paper towels, it leaves no fibers behind after cleaning. Number 4. Best Spatula Mercer Culinary Hell's Handle Fish Turner. After testing over 100 burger patties with 10 different spatulas, we found that the Mercer Culinary Hell's Handle Fish Turner is the best spatula for grilling. It combines flexibility and strength, making it our top choice. Fish turners are known for their versatility, and this large version lives up to that reputation. The stainless steel blade features a fine edge and a stable feel with just the right amount of give. Its tapered shape effortlessly slides under burger patties and supports larger items like whole chickens without any resistance. Plus, the Hell's Handle Fish Turner comes with a limited lifetime warranty, ensuring it's a durable and reliable addition to your grilling toolkit. Number 3. Best Wire-Free Grate Cleaner Grate Scrape Woody Shovel. If you prefer to avoid wire brushes, the Grate Scrape Woody Shovel is our top choice for a wire-free grate cleaning solution. This hardwood paddle features a straight, tapered edge that molds to the pattern of your grates while the grill is hot, and it even gives off the pleasant aroma of burnt wood with each use. We tested the Woody Shovel on both the Weber Spirit E310 and the Weber Genesis II 310, which have identical grates, and it effectively cleared away sticky, cooked on sauce and charred bits. The Woody Shovel's handle, with its hole for a more secure grip, is an upgrade from the solid grip found on the Grate Scrape Woody Paddle. However, if you're looking to save a few dollars, the Woody Paddle provides the same excellent cleaning performance. Number 2. Best Handy All-Around Tool for Charcoal Grilling Grill Floss. The grill floss is more than just a scraper, it's a versatile tool Sam calls his secret weapon. For summer grilling, it features a metal pole with a rounded hook, ideal for cleaning rod-style grates, like those on the Weber Original Kettle Premium Charcoal Grill 22. It's not suited for flat cast iron grates, so pairing it with a grill brush is recommended for quicker cleaning. The hook also allows you to handle hot grates and move charcoal easily. Plus, the replaceable hook is affordable if it wears out. Number 1. The Best Grill Brush Brian Stove Best BBQ Grill Brush. Clean grates are essential for preventing food from sticking to your grill. Leftover gunk, like caramelized sauce and burnt food bits, can cling to your food, making it hard to get a clean release. Plus, nobody wants to cook on a dirty grill. In our tests, the Brian Stove Best BBQ Grill Brush stood out for its ability to remove carbonized bits and stuck-on sauce quickly. Featuring 3 rows of thick-gauge wire bristles, the Brian Stove Grill Brush covers a large surface area with each stroke and holds up exceptionally well during tough scraping tasks. Unlike some brushes with coiled metal pads, the steel bristles on the Brian Stove brush remained intact and upright, showing no signs of breakage or shedding. Its comfortable 10-inch plastic handle further enhances its usability, making it a top choice for grill maintenance. And there you have it, our top picks for must-have grill tools and accessories to elevate your BBQ game. Whether you're a seasoned griller or just getting started, these tools will help you cook like a pro and make cleanup a breeze. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest reviews and grilling tips. Got a favorite grill tool or accessory that didn't make our list? Drop a comment below, we'd love to hear your recommendations. Thanks for watching, and happy grilling.